Stop asking ChatGPT to write me a blog post. If you're not using these 3 secrets, you are leaving $1,000 a week on the table. You don't need a degree. You just need to stop being a beginner. In the next 4 minutes, I will show you the exact 3 prompts I use to earn consistently. Secret 1 is the role-play hack. Never ask ChatGPT for generic advice. You must assign it a profession. You want a great blog post? Tell it. Act as a $5,000 per month SEO specialist. Want a business plan? Tell it. Act as a Fortune 500 business consultant. The quality of the output will multiply instantly. Secret 2. Use the monetization prompt. People use ChatGPT to write, but masters use it to sell. Ask it. Rewrite this article into 5 social media posts, optimized for virality and include a strong call to action. Or, turn this 5-minute video idea into a 3-step script with engaging hooks. This is how you convert content into cash. Secret 3 is the iteration formula. Never accept the first answer. Great prompts are a conversation. If you don't like the output, don't start over. Just tell it. Make it 30% more aggressive, or focus more on the financial benefits, or give me 5 more options. You refine its work until it's perfect. This is how you become an expert. There you have it. These 3 secrets, role-play, monetization, and iteration, will change how you use AI. Don't just watch this, implement it. If you want the full guide on how to sell this service on Upwork, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for my next video.